Guys, I hear the on-car brake machine going over here. Let's go over here and take a look. Dude, I didn't know it still worked. Ooh, I want to see. When we first got it, they had training on it. We all hovered over there and looked at it, but nothing stuck. So, oh, you got to do it like this, or you just chose to? Why are you using the machine? Oh, really? It's right? It ain't no big secret. But I guess if you're doing it this way, you're doing the hub and everything. You're making it, or verifying that it's not warped along with the hub, because you still connected to the hub.
Yeah.
I didn't know the damn thing still worked. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh, that's probably you gotta use them big ass rotors. I don't know who make it. It's not a Hunter thing. So. Can't believe people. I didn't know y'all still cutting them. I thought everybody else was replacing rotors. What is this? A Challenger? Oh, it's a turn piston? Man, where have I been? I said it's the turn type piston?
No, that's just
oh.
Like that.
Oh, okay. I thought it. Oh, either or. I say, where have I been? It's a Challenger. I haven't seen one. You doing the reels too? Alright guys, I haven't used that freaking machine in so long. I forgot I hook up. Interesting. Let's go back this way. Alright guys, let's go this way. Hey, what we have here? This look like I see a L. Y'all know what the L mean, don't you? Lexus, baby. This is a Lexus. They already got the hood up. Although nothing looks familiar to me, I really want to know how many cylinders this is. I can't see the amount of spark plugs per bank. That would typically tell you how many cylinders it is. Now I can. I see 1, 2, 3, which likely makes this a V6 engine. Alright, so it's in the used car department. I want to know. Now I'm curious to know what they traded it in for. Okay, so this is an older model Lexus. Nothing really luxurious about it. Okay, what an oil cat. Must be doing, finna add oil to it. But let's take a look at it, guys. Typical truck style Lexus SUV, I want to say. What are we working with in here? Nice little interior, guys. Ooh, it's equipped with a sunroof, which means it shouldn't take long selling, guys. They already got the inside clean. People, I guess when people get ready to trade their cars in, they clean them up fairly good. What do we have here? So they left us the keys. 2 keys. I bet these keys, guys, some of our keys on our newer model. Dang, this is 2019 GX460 white, 2019 Lexus. Some of our keys are $230. I could imagine what this is. It push start? Yes. Push start seems to be the new. Me personally, I'm not quite fond of all the new gadgets, electronics. Give me the old-fashioned key with a blade, man. This stuff, man. I mean, sure, the blade style can go out too and cause you a no start, but I always tend to think emergency wise. Like, what could happen if you push that thing and it don't start and you're in the middle of emergency? So I guess I'm a different breed. Yes, no tags. That means they just traded in. So he gonna put the dealer tag on it and likely go drive it. Is there an entry point to the back from the rear? Usually there's a little secret button. There's no such button on here, so it must be electronic where you push it and it opens. GX460. I'm sure it's gonna get some new tires. When we take them in on trade and inspect them, brakes and tires, one of the first things. They got Oh, lock on here, guys. I hope they left the key. Yes, quite a bit of room. Okay, actually 3 rows look like. Oh, okay, pretty much like the Durangos. Now, if you do the whole 3 rows, of course you won't have much trunk space. That's with any vehicle that does that. Uh-oh, the missus left her shoe, guys. Y'all see that? She might be looking for that shoe. Might be headed back. Wait, I left my shoe. So guys, this is the Lexus GX 460. If you happen to be in the market for one, give us about a day or 2. Let us do a 27-point inspection on this, and it will be ready, guys. I can honestly brag on our 27-point inspection. These guys back here do a real good job, guys. They go through it tooth and nail. I mean, they check everything from when the last time anybody put, or one of you guys put a license plate light on, a bulb. That goes to show you how tedious they are, the things they check. License plate bulbs. I haven't done one of those in years. Mainly because it seems unimportant, but it's some of the things these guys check. They check everything. Everything on that sheet gonna get checked. Hey, the wiper blade is hidden under here, guys. So they're gonna check that. I'm almost certain they check everything. So I don't know, guys. We'll see. Lexus SUV. All right, what's this? A Wrangler? Typical Wrangler. You know what somebody traded this in for? Maybe a newer model Wrangler. All right, so he got the wheels off. I guess he doing his. Uh-oh. I don't know what that means. Likely gonna get some brakes. These guys probably get happy when they see that automatic brake job. It's hard for us to sell a car that needs brakes. So that's pretty much one of the main jobs these guys do back here. Brakes day after day after day after day, guys. All right, Oscar Mike. Now, I don't want to let it down, but I'm almost certain what's under the hood. Likely, depending on the year, it could be a 3.6, could be a, like I said, it depends on the year. Let's see if I can get a peek. I still can't tell. All right, guys, let's go back this way.